Tired of seeing more scalp than hair? You're not alone. That shower drain is a familiar sight for many. But what if the secret to robust hair isn't just what you put on your head? Say hello to Profolan, a revolutionary solution that addresses hair loss from the inside out. With its powerful Grow 3 formula, packed with natural ingredients like field horsetail and nettle, Profolan strengthens your hair from the follicle while tackling DHT, the pesky hormone linked to hair loss. Clinical studies show 9 out of 10 men experienced amazing results, less shedding and heightened confidence. Just 2 capsules a day could have you seeing improvements in as little as 3 months. Ready to reclaim your hair and boost your confidence? Profolan could be your game changer.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.